Today, the Manta Sleep Sound Mask. This is not your normal sleep mask. I mean, just reading the back of the box. Cooling perforated foam, 100% blackout, zero eye pressure. Razor thin Bluetooth headphones for side sleep. This is the Rolls Royce of sleep masks. So here's what I'll go over in this video. An unboxing, a nice close-up of all the features, the setup, which there's very little, my review and any downsides that I found, and then just a final verdict. Was this worth the money? Speaking of money, on this channel, I review new, interesting, unique products. And something I always like to try to do for my audience is give them a percentage off, a discount code. Manta hooked it up. There's one down in the description below. It's generous. Go ahead and grab that if you do decide to purchase one. Okay, first, the unboxing. In this box, you're going to get the mask, a charging cable, and an optional overhead strap. And that's really it. There's no app, and I do mean that in a very complimentary way. I feel like everything comes with an app these days, and there's no app needed in this. All you have to do for the setup is hold the center button. It shows up just in your Bluetooth settings like you would attach like a Bluetooth speaker, and then it's paired. In 20 seconds, your iPhone or Android is ready to go. The 3 control buttons sit in the front in a magnetic housing. This is nice for the middle of the night. There's no searching or hunting for them. You know exactly where they're at. And then there's 3 ways to adjust this mask. One is the eye cups. Not all eyes are created equally. So you can move these eye cups side to side independently to match your eye spacing. Get this wrong and you'll know it's wrong because there will be light leakage. So this may take a night or two to dial in. Adjustment number 2 are the speakers on the side. These speakers have really cool little pull tabs and you can move them while the mask is already on your face. And then number 3, the head strap is a hook and a loop. Really simple. And this just comes down to like how restless of a sleeper are you. If you move around a lot at night, the head strap is valuable for that. And before I go any farther, I should probably try this on for you. It's very stylish. I'm gonna take my hat off. You're just gonna have to believe me because you can't know this for sure, but can't see a thing. Their marketing says 100% blackout. That marketing is spot on. This is a funny product to test. Okay, enough of that. Where was I? All right, something else about the battery and kind of the tech in this sleep mask. First of all, Manta claims 24 hours at full volume. Looking into this, that's 3 times more than any other competitor in the space. And another feature that I love, it never beeps. When you click the buttons, there's no chirp. A lot of Bluetooth sleep masks, the buttons make noise, which just, this device is supposed to protect your sleep, not wake you up. Another really cool piece of engineering and kind of a quick tip. If you use white noise or really any audio, you should put on a sleep timer. After this detects no audio being played for 30 minutes, it automatically powers down, saving your battery. But the best part of this product is still to come here. And I want to show you this by also showing that you can remove the battery and headphones so you can wash this. Again, there's a little magnetic housing here that you can open up and simply just take the battery, very small amount of cords, and these headphones. And that's what I want to get to next here, are how small these speakers are. The speakers are 5 millimeters, which I looked up is about the thickness of a normal yoga mat. They thought through this. If you're a side sleeper, which a lot of people are, and if these speakers were to be too thick, that's the full weight of your head. Obviously, that's going to be uncomfortable. But when they're wafer thin like this, you can't feel it. Like I tried this, obviously. And they even have light padding over the speakers as well. Very well engineered. Hence the price. Speaking of well engineered, the eye cups are C-shaped. This is so they sit flat against your temple instead of wrapping around it. And unlike other sleep masks, there's an air bubble inside that expands to seal light when you're on your back. I'm telling you, the sleep mask is very thought through. All right, so let's get to the real problems because no product is perfect, and that's, on this channel, I don't try to hype anything up more than it should be. What's not that great in this mask? First, and probably the most important one to talk about, is the audio quality. And I don't see at any point or place in their marketing that they're saying this is a Bose speaker. This is great for white noise, for an audiobook. But if you're trying to, listen to your favorite album or some music with heavy bass, you're gonna be disappointed. I read one verified user/reviewer call it an iPhone speaker from 2007. It's harsh, but not wrong. So if you're buying this to listen to your favorite albums in bed, you should get something else. With that being said too, there is a little bit of, what would you call it? Sound leakage. Because it is mesh, you can hear the audio a little bit if, someone's next to you on a plane or your spouse is laying in bed. But again, that's really if it's on full volume. And then the other one real downside that I found is slippage. If you're a restless sleeper, if you move around a lot at night, there's potential that this can fall off. I'll make 2 notes with that. One, the top head strap is very helpful for this. And it is something you generally just have to kind of figure out and get used to. And if you sleep on your back, there's really no issues there. It's more if you're sleeping on your side or if you stir around a lot at night. Obviously, if you're using this in like a plane or somewhere that you're sitting upright, it's perfect. No worries there. So to review, the 2 main problems I found: audio quality was low and potential slipping for restless sleepers. But I really think that's every sleep mask. So let's get to the verdict here. Where do I stand on this? Is it worth the money? If you're a side sleeper who wants audio at night, this is for you. If you work nights, sleep during the day, need complete blackout, this is for you. But on the flip side, if you sleep on your back and don't care to listen to audio at night, the Manta Sleep Pro is for you. Still fully adjustable, even more lightweight, super comfortable, and same quality brand. So yes, it's worth the money, but obviously make sure it makes sense for you. This is a quality product, engineered very well, and I've just been overall impressed with this brand. They've seemed to think through it all. Oh, and I should have said this way earlier on. There's a 60-day money-back guarantee, and that's just a great, promise for a product like this. If you don't sleep better with it, if it's not comfortable, if it doesn't work for you, send it back, get a full refund. With that being said, if you do try one out, like I said in the beginning, I got a discount code for you below. The world's expensive these days. Any little money off helps. So use that link below. It helps me out, continue to make more videos like this, and you obviously win as well. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you liked this and want to see more unique kind of products like this tested and reviewed in the future, go ahead and subscribe, like this video. It would mean the world. Until next time, see you later.